Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, in today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to deal with the issue where on YouTube it's showing no comments. This is a issue that can happen from time to time where of course you're on YouTube and none of the comments in the comment section are showing up. Now of course, if you're watching this video on the day that this video is most likely post, you'll find that you're experiencing this issue straight across YouTube. It's because YouTube is having a bug where all the comments are down. Now this is a bug just like any other bug, and of course just want to note that the issue is with YouTube. So of course YouTube should fix this issue probably in a few hours or sooner. All right, so just want to warn you guys that there's a bug out on YouTube. So if you're a content creator, if you go into your comments are all gone. Do not worry. That's natural, as the comments themselves have all disappeared. It seemed to be a bug. Once the bug is fixed, the comments should come back. So I'm in YouTube Studio now. As you can see, none of my comments are here. I'm going to go to the full YouTube app and I'm going to show you the comment section to show you that it's done as well. All right, here is a video. And of course, this video is showing that there, if you look in the comments, it shows 1.4K comments, but of course the comment section is blank. YouTube is actually working on the problem, as sometimes you might see a one video or a one comment appear. And of course, if you refresh, it might just disappear. So the issue is being worked on. And of course, this is a random video. But guys, I'm going to show you some quick tips in case it might be a bug, as it can also be a cache problem with your device. All right, so if it's your device, let's say it's YouTube or YouTube Studio, one of the things I suggest is that you go ahead and close the app. You're going to close the app in the background as well. Once you close the app out of the background, go ahead and launch the app again. Usually if you do that, it can fix the issue when you relaunch the app. If that doesn't work, close the app, close it in the background, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to go to the power menu. You're going to do a full restart or a power off. Best to go with the power off. It does give you a clean start. All right, if that doesn't work, one other thing you can do guys is go to settings. You can also go to apps. Once you're in apps, go ahead and find the app in question. Let's say it's YouTube, so let's go find YouTube. Or you can search. Once you find YouTube, go ahead and click, go to storage. Once you're in storage guys, go ahead and clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, go ahead and relaunch the app. And of course, there's no need to clear the data except in extreme cases. Reboot and then launch the app again. If it doesn't fix the issue, then it's not with the app on your device, it's with YouTube itself. You can search online for is YouTube down now, and with the date, and it should tell you if YouTube has the comment section down. And of course, eventually should be fixed as long as it's not your device. But if it's your device, it should come back up. All right, so I'm going to end the tutorial here. As always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.